Hi, welcome to my Cuddly Stitches craft channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to close a hole in a flat amigurumi piece such as this arm using single crochet stitches. Closing your amigurumi piece while using this technique will give you a nice and neat finish, plus it will make it easier for you to sew or crochet different body parts to the body or the head of your crochet toy. It can be used for various pieces such as arms, legs, tails or even ears. So I have my tiger arm here ready to be closed. It's not a flat piece strictly speaking, but the top of the arm is flat, so we can simply use this technique on this piece as well. Okay, so let's get started and let's close this arm. To start with, you need to insert your stitch marker into the stitch that comes just before the last stitch you crocheted, so here. So not this last stitch, but the one before it, here. So I will pull my stitch marker through this stitch. I just simply use a piece of thread string, but you can use your usual stitch marker, it's really up to you. Okay, so I'm done here, so I'm ready to close the arm. So I'm going to insert my hook back into here, into the loop. And the next step is to insert your hook into the next stitch on the arm, so this one. So insert your hook in there. And then you will insert your hook into the stitch on the opposite side where you inserted the stitch marker, so in this one. Okay, you can pull your stitch marker out because we don't need it anymore. And you are left with 2 stitches on your hook. So you will simply single crochet these stitches together. Just like this. So next you will insert your hook into the next stitch on the arm and in the corresponding stitch on the opposite side, just like this, and again single crochet together. So you will simply continue to single crochet across the top of the arm until you get to the end. Alright, so the last stitch and the corresponding stitch might be a bit difficult to see, so don't worry about being too precise here. Just insert your hook into the last stitch here and just pull it through to the other side and single crochet the last one. Alright, so this is now nicely closed. Just fasten off and cut the yarn off. Okay, so here you are, your amigurumi piece is closed and you are left with a really nice neat finish. Okay, if you are going to sew the piece to the body, then leave a long tail which you will use for sewing, otherwise you can cut the yarn and weave the yarn tail in. So please don't forget to give me thumbs up if you like this video and hit the subscribe button to receive an update when I add a new video. Thank you for watching.